Hello, unboxing for you today. Sorry. Of Bone Conduction headphones, as you can see there. They are waterproof, 5-hour battery life, extremely light, 33 grams. These are $41.99 on Amazon and Prime shipping, and there is a coupon as well. 5% off coupon. On Amazon, it's called the Bone Conduction Headphones Bluetooth V5.0 wireless sports headset with mic and Siri voice control. Safety open ear design for running, cycling, driving. It's from a company called Yomlilian. I'm not sure exactly. It's Yomlilian. Very nice box, actually. It uses as a storage case when you're not using it. When you're not using them. Sturdy box. Now, again, these are bone conduction, so they're not going to actually go in your ears, which is kind of cool. I'm really curious to test these out. Part of them there. They do have controls on them. We have basic user manual, apparently, is right here on the back. Power button, volume down button, USB charging port, volume up button, and multi-function button. Multi-function button, pause, play, music, answer, and call. Double click to turn on Siri. Double click next track. Triple click last track. Long press enter Siri. Okay. 15 meters, 49 feet range. 5-hour time. Charging time is about 120 minutes. But anyway, here they are here. So, not much to them. There's not much in here, really. They do have a cable. Charging cable here. What is this? Looks like micro USB. Yep. Standard stuff. No reason for you to, me to really pull it out for you. Here's instructions here. Manual instructions for it. But here they are here. Yes, they are extremely lightweight. They're very flexible, like a rubbery material. Here we are here. There's the speakers, I guess you could call them. But again, they are bone conduction, so they're not going to actually be in your ears. On the bottom edge, we have, or nothing on this side, of course, but then we have a micro USB port here for charging, which is under a little rubber cover to keep the dust and water out. Then we have our power button, a volume button, and it looks like an LED. And here is a button on this side, which would be, I believe, the multi-function button. Let's see. English somewhere? Okay, there it is. 5. Yes, this is the multi-function button. I was right. And then we have the power on, off, and volume up is that one. And the volume down is just the volume down. Okay, then. Fairly simple to use, I guess. Curious to try them out, see how they sound. But that's about it. They seem very nicely made. Rubber material, I'm not sure how comfortable. Well, I guess they should be comfortable. It's a soft rubber on this side, the part that's going to touch your head. And this, of course, goes over your ear on this side. All right, well, let me test them out and I'll let you know how they are. Thanks.